Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter Multiples and Factors, exercise 8.2. All of you take out your maths textbook for page number 99. Let us see from question number 7 up to 6th one we have finished in the previous class. Let us see from 7th. Before we go to start doing these sums, we have to recall about even numbers and odd numbers. Numbers which are multiples of 2, those are called even numbers. We are learning about multiples. Suppose 8 is a multiple for 2 because 2 4s are 8. Then 8 is called an even number. Then take 6. 6 is also a multiple for 2. That's why 6 also called an even number. Then odd numbers are which are not multiples of 2. Suppose 7 you take 7. 7 is a multiple of 7 and 1 also. But 7 is not a multiple of 2. Am I correct? Same way if you think of 9. 9 is not a multiple of 2. Same way 13. 13 is not a multiple of 2. So all these are called 7, 9, 13. All these numbers are said to be odd numbers, which are multiples of 2, even numbers, which are not multiples of 2, odd numbers. In the question 7, encircle the even numbers, they said. They have given some list of numbers. We have to draw a circle which are even numbers. Let us draw a circle. Okay, 7 is not an even number because it is not a multiple of 2 table. In 2 table we cannot see 7. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, but 7 is not identified in the 2 table. That is that 7 is not a multiple of 2. That means that is not an even number, but that is an odd number. Which are even numbers only, we should draw a circle. In that 12 is even number because 2 6s are 12. 16, 2 8s are 16, circle. 2 9s are 18, we should draw a circle around it. 2 12s are 24, then it won't be, it is not an even number. 42, it can go in a 2 table. 2 into 21 is 42. So all these numbers which are in circles are even numbers. Now 8th question, they said us to draw a circle around the odd numbers. That means which are not multiples of 2 should be drawn in a circle. Should be drawn a circle around the number. It is 3. It is not possible with 2 table. So draw a circle around 3. Same way around 5. This is possible in 2 table. 2 4s are 8 now. That's why we cannot draw a circle around it. Because it is an even number, which are odd only should be put in the circle. Yes? So it is 11. 11 is not possible in 2 table. 2 5s are 10 now. 2 6s are 12. Where is 11 in the 2 table? No 11 at all. That means so this 11 is not a multiple of 2 table. Or not a multiple of 2. So it is a odd number only. You should draw a circle around it. It cannot be drawn as 21, again 29, then 51. All these are which are arranged circles around them are not multiples of 2. So those are called odd numbers. Now 9th question, which we have finished already in the previous class only. First 5 multiples of 14, 18 and 21. First 5 multiples. In the yesterday's class we have discussed that. First 5 multiples of the 14. So that means 14 should multiply with 1, 14 should multiply with 2, 14 should multiply with 3, 14 should multiply with 4, 14 should multiply with 5. All those are the first 5 multiples for 14. Same way for 18. 18 should multiply with 1, 18 should multiply with 2. Like that 21. 21 should multiply with 1, like that. 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28. 42, 56, 70. All these are multiples of the first 5 multiples for the 14. 18 ones are 18, here 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, again 72, 90. All these are first 5 multiples of 18. 21 ones are 21, 21 twos are 42, again next to 63 with 3 times, 84 with 4 times for the 21, 105 is a 5 times for 21. All these are first 5 multiples for 21 number. We have learned already. These are very easy for us. Let us see question 10. All of you look at this side. Now, even numbers from 21 to 44. We have to write all those even numbers from 21 to 44. We will start counting. 21 is 21 a even number? No, because that is not a multiple of 2. So 22 next to that I have written, because 2 11s are 22. So 22 is an even number. That too from 21 to 44 we should check now. So in those checking part 22 can be available now. Our journey should start from 21 and end with 44. In those numbers, all those numbers, what are even numbers, we have to list out now. 22 will be an even. Next 23, that is not a multiple of 2 table, that cannot be an even number. Then I should go for 24, that is an even number, because 2, that is multiple of 2 only. 2 12s are 24, that's why. Then 26, because 2 13s 26. Next 28, 2 14s 28. I think you have got some idea. Next 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, then 44. After the 44, 45 will be, that we cannot take, because up to 44 only we should go to check whether the even number or not. If even, we have to write in the list. Did you understand, children, all this? Which are even numbers between from 21 to 44. So from 21 to 44 we have to check. In those what are evens we have to write. Yes, that's what this list. Next 11th question, odd numbers we have to write. That is even numbers completed. Now odd numbers from 40 to 60. Odd ones. Odd ones means which are not multiples of 2. Here 40 should start actually, but 40 is not odd number. That is not a multiple. This is multiple of 2 actually, but we want which are not multiples of 2 to call as an odd number. Am I correct? That's why I have to write 41. This is not possible with 2, and it is called, it is not a multiple of 2. So it can be the answer for us to show as an odd number. Same way 43, next to 45, all these numbers 47, 49, 51, 53 comes for 55, 57 and 59. All these are numbers which are not multiples of 2 and are called odd numbers. Those only they have asked us to write. And after 59, 60 is there, which is given in the question. But that 60 is a multiple of 2, that is an even number, that cannot be a part of our list of odd numbers. Am I correct? So only these numbers what we have finished. Let us come for 12th one. This is, they said write a smallest number which can be added to an odd number, then the result will be an even number. Such a condition should be satisfied while selecting that smallest number. What can be that smallest number that should be added to an odd number, then the result will be equal to an even number. That is the condition. Now here 1 is the answer we got. 1 is the smallest number added to an odd number we have identified. This 1 is the smallest number we have got as an answer. That 1 I am adding an odd number. I have selected an odd number 3. 3 is odd number. Why? Because 3 is not a multiple of 2. So it is an odd number. 1 I have added to the odd number. Then I got an answer. That answer is called an even number. This even number I have got by adding this odd number with some smallest number. What is the smallest number I have got in the mind? That is 1. Because 1 is the smallest number we said that is added to an odd number. Then the result we got an even number which they have asked. So is there any other smallest number other than this one or less than 1? No, because 1 is only the starting number. That too, that 1 is called odd number. Before 1 there is a 0, no value for that. That is not an odd number, that is not an even number. That's an idea. So that's why it is the way. Then 13th question also there for you in this exercise. You can do that because same method of thinking, there also one only answer. I am leaving for you to do that part by your own. Okay students, with other parts of teaching, we will meet in the next class. I hope things are very clear for you. Write these are all in the classwork notebook and prepare well for examination too. Okay students, thank you.